Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'll be showing you step by step how to do SEO using vidIQ. Now this is very easy and we're just gonna follow 4 different steps. The first step is to install vidIQ extension. The second step is to write your SEO title. The third step is to write your tags, and then I'll show you tips and tricks on how to write your SEO description. So let's get started. Right now, the first step is to install vidIQ extension, and if you don't have vidIQ extension, then you should definitely watch our video on how to download and install vidIQ extension. And then once you've done that, then just open up your YouTube studio and then click on any video that you want to optimize. So for example, let's use this video on how to create a channel on Slack. So the first step is to write your according to our outline, to write your SEO title. Okay, so to get your SEO title, just click right here where it says get AI title recommendations. Now once you click on that, you get different suggestions, and it's up to you to choose the title that best suits your need. Okay, so if you have a channel that is a search-based channel where you want a lot of search traffic, then titles like this, how to create a channel on Slack, the complete guide, are very good. But if you have a channel that is a browse channel, then you want very creative titles. So for this video, let's just go ahead and use this title: how to create a channel on Slack, the complete guide. So right here I'll just click on use, and the reason I'm choosing this is because it follows these two outlines here. Now the first one is SEO. You want your title to be searchable, and again you want your title to contain an emotional trigger. Okay, so instead of just saying how to create a channel on Slack, you want to write how to create a channel on Slack and then include something that triggers a person to click on your video. Okay, so this could be the complete guide, or this could be free tutorial. Okay, you just have to be very creative with your title. So once you're done with the title, just go right down to our outline, and then you see that we're doing the tags before the description, and I'll tell you why that's important right now. So just scroll down to your tags, and the first step when you come to your tags is to include your title in your tags. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and copy the title and I'll just paste that into my tag section. Okay, so if you're quite experienced with YouTube, I'm sure you're asking, do tags really matter? Well, the truth is YouTube says that tags are used to recommend your videos to people who may misspell certain words in the title. However, this doesn't rule out the fact that writing and optimizing your tags can help you reach a broader audience, given that a lot of people actually misspell a lot of words when typing into the YouTube search bar. Okay, so once you've written your title in your tags, you click right here where it says boost this video. And once you click on that, you get tons of tag suggestions, and you don't have to use up all the space for your tags. However, you have to make sure that you rephrase your title as many times as possible. This really helps you rank on YouTube, because people may not type in how to create a Slack channel. They may type in how to get started on Slack, okay, or how to make a Slack channel. So you want to make sure that you're typing in variations of your title. So right now I'm just going to select a few tags that relate to our title, and that's it. In less than 10 seconds you're done choosing your tags. Okay, so once you're done with the tags, the next step is to optimize your video language description. English, your recording date, not really important. However, the video location is quite important, because I've noticed that YouTube tends to recommend the videos where I choose United Kingdom as location to people in the United Kingdom. So you just want to make sure that you optimize your location depending on your target audience. However, right now I'll just choose United States, and then once you choose that, you also want to optimize this section, the category. This is very important because for a channel like mine, I'm doing videos on tutorials, so I want to choose how to and style because my videos are how to videos. But if you have, an education, entertainment, or gaming channel, make sure that you choose the right category. Okay, so once you've done that, we then have to optimize the most important section of this tutorial, which is your description. Okay, so the first step to writing a good description is to input your keywords. So right here, if you scroll back up, you'll see that vidIQ gives you suggestions on keywords that should be in your description. And while choosing a keyword here, you want to ensure that you choose different variations of the same keyword. So for example, right here you can see how to create a Slack channel. Okay, I would also choose how to create a channel on Slack. Okay, how to create a channel on Slack. Okay, then once I'm done with that, I would also choose the third variation, which is how to make a Slack channel. Okay, how to make a Slack channel. Okay, so right here we've put in certain keyword phrases. Make sure that these are phrases and not just random words. So once you have these phrases, you just click on generate, and then vidIQ comes up with an SEO description for your video. Now if you have a channel like mine, then you don't really care whether or not people read your description. However, if you have a channel that is a personal brand channel, then you want to pay more attention to what I'm about to say right now. Okay, so if you have a channel like mine, which is an SEO and search based channel, you want to add two descriptions. The reason why this is important is because having two descriptions has really helped me rank as a small channel, because it helps me repeat certain keywords in my description. So right here, vidIQ gives you three suggestions. You click on insert, and then you have the first description. Instead of just publishing the video, you move to the next suggestion and insert that again. However, if you have a personal brand channel, this might just feel like keyword stuffing, so you may not want to use this. But for a channel like mine, I don't really pay much attention to whether or not people read my description. I don't put any links in my description, so I'm completely fine with stuffing keywords in my description. So right here, I've chosen two descriptions from vidIQ's recommendations, and the reason why this is important is because these two descriptions contain the keywords that will just put in there, so it really helps us rank. Okay, so right here we've chosen two descriptions, and the next step according to our outline is to add your title. Always add your title 3 times in your description. Okay, so you just have to copy your title, which is how to create a channel on Slack. I don't have to use the complete guide, so I'll just copy that, how to create a channel on Slack, and that should be the first thing right here. Okay, I've pasted that right here, how to create a channel on Slack. I also want to put that right here. So in this video on how to make a channel on Slack, would show you how to create a channel on Slack. Okay, that's keyword stuffing, but again, because of the kind of channel I have, I don't really pay much attention to whether or not people read my description. So right here, I've put in my title 3 times quite early on in the description, within the first 3 sentences, and that really helps with ranking on YouTube. Now once you're done with the description, you can then decide if you want to use this trick that I use for my channel, and that trick is to add your tags again. So right here, I'll just scroll down, and right here you can see my tags. I'll just click right here to copy all, and then I'll just paste that at the very bottom of my description. Now, this has helped me a lot of times, but it doesn't work every time. However, if you have a channel like my channel, which is an SEO based, search based channel where people don't care about me, they just want to watch my videos, then you can consider, stuffing these keywords in your description, because your description is very, very important when it comes to ranking on YouTube. So once you're done with your description, you have to add in your hashtags. However, hashtags actually don't matter on YouTube. The only reason I put them in is because sometime in future they may begin to matter on YouTube, and when that happens, I don't want to have to go back to all my old videos to impute the hashtags. Okay, so I'll, anything at all that relates to the video, hashtag Chris Tech Guy, which is the channel name, hashtag Slack, okay, hashtag create Slack, there shouldn't be spaces, channel. Okay, so right here I've put in 3 hashtags, and that's all for doing SEO with vidIQ. So I'll just publish this video. However, I don't want to publish this video because I would actually delete this. I only made this video for this tutorial. So if you got some value from this video, kindly like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.